Alright, what's up, you guys? It's time for Correcto time. Alright, I was gonna make a video last night. Um, I got too lazy. I got too lazy. I'm over here at my grandma's South Mexico. Um, so I just decided to let it be. Also, because I was up at 12 o'clock last night, one ish, and I noticed Bitcoin and Ethereum weren't making a move. It looked like they were going to resist from dropping because these crucial, whatever they were holding, it was crucial. But just how they were holding and the time I was holding, um, I could tell that it wasn't going to drop during the night. It's going to drop, especially I woke up at 8, checked on it, saw it was still holding, but it was still showing me more of a drop than a push on up, more of a weakness than a push on up. Why? Because first I'm gonna go over Bitcoin. So right here, if you notice, there's a reason why I put this here. So after we drop here, our next crucial area, which is where we are right now, is right here, this monthly. And if we do, we are this right here. Because the next actual strong area is this weekly, where we want to hold this weekly. And when we get inside this weekly, we're gonna get trapped in this range right here. That's why you don't want to break this. You had two monthlies right here that keep on dropping, and even though they broke, sometime during the month, it ended up closing above here and then continuing up. The fact that it shot down and it's holding that area right there, and this time, yeah, that's on a Sunday. That's bad because that means that this week wants to close below this weekly area, monthly area right here, which is really bad. Um, so that's total look. Now I'm gonna go to the daily, where we were to show you what area we were holding. If you see, it's right here in this area up here, and look how dramatically it started dropping right now. That's why it's an important area to hold. Um, and then it's Sunday, so normally, like I told you, the setup was Thursday. It started moving on up Thursday, and then it wasn't continuing the way it should. It wasn't showing bullish. It was more of a neutral and weakness, especially towards the end of Saturday or whatnot. So let me take you to. We were in this box right here, in this weekly area right here. Watch. Let me zoom in close right here. This box right here. This box right here was important to quote because it was a weekly and a monthly. It was stuck between that range. That's why the whole time it was holding here, because it was an important, crucial area that needed to hold. Let me take it now to a 12-hour candle. Next, these you had it was trying to push above this daily Fibonacci, this 50%, and in the 50 range of a daily Fibonacci. Watch. What I mean by that is, let me take what's in the. Oh, it's right there. Okay. Watch. Here we go. We take this shit off in the back. You see right here, the 50% of the Fibonacci. It was right there, and that's why I put that sign. So since I knew I wasn't gonna be able to see the Fibonacci, and so I don't gotta go back and forward and be like, wait, what were the Fibonacci for the daily? What were the Fibonacci for the 4-hour candle? I just marked them down. That way, when I know when the market is reacting to that Fibonacci, I know how strong or how weak it is. Meaning, the higher the Fibonacci, meaning if I'm on a 50, on the 50 on the daily Fibonacci, stronger. If I'm on a weekly. If I'm on the 50 Fibonacci on the weekly, that Fibonacci area is more stronger one up because it's a weekly area. The fact that it was in a daily, that meant a lot. So let me show you what I mean by that. Oh, before that, you had hella boxes. You had this box right here that would have helped you out too, knowing with the time and everything where the market was gonna go. Then they just appeared over last night because we closed at 5 in the morning. So that meant that 5 in the morning we ended up pushing it up and barely made a little move and closed right here 5 in the morning. After 5 in the morning, it started continuing up. Though the fact that we went back inside, that was a fucking red flag right there. Alright, so let me mark it down real quick. That's a daily. Alright, so you would have a box right here. I'm not gonna do it because I know for you guys you're gonna get too comfortable. Then the one that I noticed last night was in this 8-hour candle. So this 8-hour candle right here, you have it created the support, and it didn't quite create the resistance, showing you hey, this is where we're topping. But when I was looking at it, it was barely on this 8-hour candle right here. So the fact that it closed right here, it was telling you, hey, if we start going down below this area, please close attention. And look what happened. We closed this 8-hour candle. After that, we tried one more time, push all the way up here, but still went back to the same area. This was your core key area. This was your key area, but this was your core, your center area. But you really want to pay attention because this would give you the signal that hey, we're pushing on up. Whether it be right now at 9:30, 9:45 to close a 10-hour candle, 4-hour candle at 10 on 50, and then from there on, from 10 to what is it? From 10? No, from 9. Made my bad. Bitcoin closed the 4-hour candle at 9, I think, not 10. Let me see if you have them tripping. I can't see it now. Nasdaq, yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, 9 o'clock. Alright, so notice how here where the market was holding, telling you, hey, we're still bullish. As you change the candles, though, you're starting to see what I was talking about. How we close there at 5. There you go, 5, and then continuing up. So, anyways, so then you will go down. You see, I was saying showing strength right here, showing bullish strength. You see this upward pattern. Now, suddenly they trapped you. So you say, no, you can't catch that, but you could. First of all, because of 50 and it's rejected, you want to see how. You want to zoom in just like a microscope, and you would have been able to catch the move, the first move. The fact that it went below this area where this area above here shows strength. Watch. See how it kept on dropping, it kept closing above you, and it kept trying. All it was showing you strength. If traders watching this shit, they would have fucking been seeing that shit. All this emotion to it. Hey, it's going up. It's so and so. It's breaking 4 candle, whatever 5. Think about it. We closed a 4 candle above here. So traders would have seen that shit. They would have gone for a buy. Next thing you know, click. And then they would have done, oh, it's retesting. It's doing a retest, you guys. It's doing a retest. It's going down. It's going to go, all that shit. But like I said, you were down to the 15-minute candle. So the fact that it showed the strength area right here where it was just kept on bouncing, trying, shooting you up this daily 50, all of a sudden it goes down. That was your signal right there. Because we are, and it would have continued going on down. Oh, especially right here. Especially if you couldn't catch this. This right here was telling you, hey, we're about to drop. First of all, because we already broke the box area that I was telling you about. Second of all, you had a 12-hour candle here that would have told you right there too, hey, this is your selling point right here. So the fact that we were at that selling point and we were seeing that, and especially Ethereum, you want to check how Ethereum was looking. Ethereum was showing you the same thing and it's doing the same shit. This was a pocket area. The fact that we've been holding, that is shut up below this monthly area right here, that's all bad. So you thought how would I catch you off guard? The fact that it closed inside monthly, again, boxes, that's why my box strategy, whatever it is, at least with me, synchronizing Bitcoin, synchronizing how big Ethereum is reacting and what kind of box it is, which box it got inside of. The fact that it closed the prior day, which is will be orange now. Closed the day in here was already a red flag. So then pay attention. So look close here. Look how we're still breaking it. Notice this. This was your core area. This was your box. This was your. It was telling you, hey, if we lose this, because I'm showing you the support, I'm showing the resistance, and it's not a clear box. But let me try something. Go up or down. No. Okay. So let me put boxes that way you guys know what they're at the exchange. So then you go 300 candle, and then your next area would have been right here. Your next box. And then you shift your colors. And put this one forward. Thank you, hello. And then, ahí está, tío. And then, okay, so this one would have been your second indicator to let you know that we're about to drop. This would have been your core area. This would have been your last. Okay, if you couldn't hold the whole core area, you will catch this one. And actually, you can also use this as your alarm. The moment it breaks this, it would alarm you. Hey, we're dropping, so try to catch it in this range right here. That's the way I would have used this. It would have helped me with Bitcoin, seeing, hey, Bitcoin, we're about to fall. So let me take a look. And then especially breaking this weekly line right here too, also a red flag. You see how now it's testing it. 15-minute candle. So Ethereum would have signaled you, at least to me, at 8:30. And Bitcoin would have win. Same area probably. Yeah, right here. 8:30. Bitcoin would have told me. Let me see. Yeah, same area. The box right here. So notice how they would have both breaking, or at least to me, they would have been breaking the same area at the same time, and they would have signaled to me, yo, we're going to throw for a drop, buddy. And I'm actually in a trade right now. But it's actually resisting. So it's either going to do two things. It's going to try to, it's going to be some sort of fake out, and it's going to recuperate right here to this area right here, which is another box rush. Let me stretch out this box. See, it's another box right here. It's going to try to make it above here, which is a 50 area. See, it makes sense. Oh no, 50 is over here. So try to go inside this 50, but that's going to be towards the end of the day. And that's if by 11:45 or 12 we're back inside this box. That way we can close at 1, which is the 4, which is when we end a forward candle inside here, and then from 1 to 5, try and make it on the dip that we had right now. But because this is an area that you don't want to go, because when we start breaking this monthly right here, watch. Yeah, see how the last 2 months and this other area that I was talking about earlier, that's what we don't want to do. And let me see if Ethereum is also in the range where it doesn't really want to drop, because it's testing a 52 on the monthly. It's going to be testing the monthly, so it's most likely going to stop right here. And there's some, holy shit. Yeah, okay, that's a monthly thing. Where's the monthly at? Tell me somewhere over there in front. Where the hell did I go? Where's the monthly here? Oh, it's over here. Okay, yeah, it's right there. So it wants to hold this monthly area right here. Otherwise, we're gonna come down here. If we break this, watch, probably have a Fibonacci given target somewhere down here, or my indicators. Yeah, see here's the first target, second target, third target, fourth target. But you see how it lines in the Fibonacci too. These two Fibonacci align in the same area. And then my indicator should be picking up entry right here. Yeah, entry right here, targets, along with the Fibonacci first target. Alright, so that's what it's going to try to do. It's going to try to go back, so this might be a fake dump, and just to buy time, just to keep that bullish trend. But we lost a lot of key areas. First of all, we lost the 3,000 range. That was important area to hold. Second of all, you got Bitcoin, also not broke, but it's right there. See, you see how pretty much it didn't break nothing. It's pretty much still in the area, but it's in the last of a hey. Either we recover this in the last 8 hours, or we fall. But Ethereum showing signs, like just the fact that Ethereum broke that 3,000 range and it's holding on down, that's a red flag right there to me. So we need Ethereum within these next 4 hours to push back above inside that area, at least the area, and then you will then see Bitcoin sustain this area, and it will be just like another bounce, and it continue on up again to buy time, again to end the week still in a bullishness area, even though it's no, not really. This box, I'm gonna take it away because you guys knew what it was, and since the move already passed, again I can use that some sort of indicator of hey, when we come across here, this is a strong area to pass. But I already have the weekly in the we are area to indicate to me, and so I'm gonna take it away. Take it away. So the goal for see this area right here. So we need Ethereum to hold, or it's holding right now. That way Bitcoin can get back into this box right here, into this area right here. And in the week, oh, we have another week area right here. Didn't know that. Oh, what is it? And then was it daily or was it for? Oh, to 8. Yeah, so it's gonna try and hold, make up this area right here and go above. That's a 100 candle. See the resistance area right there. You guys checking Ethereum because Ethereum is the indicator for telling you where the market is going. See how bad it wants to hold that area? Indicator first target, second target. So I got out the trade. I was plus $35. I really, the move that I was waiting for was up here. Doing it right here is playing yourself. You know, you're pretty much at the border. Should I stay? Should I go? Should I go for a buy? Should I go for a sale? Is it gonna make up these in the next 8 hour candle? 8 hours. So you really wanted to take this. But yeah, I'm out for now, you guys. I'll come in. I'll come in around 1 o'clock to see if the market, the most likely, will drop. Seeing how they made that move right now and everything. But since they made it within an hour after a 4 hour candle closing, that's why I didn't like it. I was like, it's too easy. It's too easy. The time and everything. But it's still, so you still have time to fake it and go back up, whether it be at 12:30, whether it be somewhere 3 or 4 o'clock. If it's still holding the same range, and not if by 1 o'clock we're stupid somewhere down here, then that's different. Because by then we'll be in the 50 range in this area where we'll stop. If it makes sense also to start the drop and end the day, so the week somewhere right here, weekend it or something whatnot. Um, or end the week still in this range up here, and then throughout the weekday, is it gonna fall and go down to this 50 weekly, or is the market gonna sustain? Blah 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 blah. Also, this dropping with the market dropping, it makes also sense why the Bitcoin and everything would be dropping right now. How the feel with the economy and everything. But yeah, I'll come back around 1 o'clock to update with the shit. This is Brian Seacrest signing out. Rip.